today I'm going to teach about the how ClearPass, what does it. Okay, very important point. What does the ClearPass? Okay, so just I explain this. First, if you know about the deployment of the Aruba ClearPass is that there are two types of the publisher and subscribers by deployment, and the big environment, the DC and DR. So these are the deployment, but at deployment next lecture I'll cover that point. Okay, how to deploy and how to do this. This is a pending zoning. I'll explain the next lecture. But today my topic is, because you are new, that's why I'm going to teach about the how to what does the ClearPass. Important point. What does the ClearPass? Important points. Okay. So what does the ClearPass? So are you comfortable, my students? This is a new batch, and that batch and the today next layer second lecture. So now I'm going to start the क्या करता है Aruba ClearPass. What does the ClearPass it? Okay, मतलब ClearPass किस लिए बना और ClearPass क्या है वो हम आपको बताना चाहते हैं. So I think you are you comfortable with the English, so I'm going to start with English. So Aruba ClearPass is a network access control that is name is NAC. Aruba ClearPass is a network access control that NAC solution provided by our OEM is Aruba. It is a design to enhance network security, simplifying the management of user access to wired, wireless and VPN networks. Okay. ClearPass helps to organize and enforce security policies, authentication, authorization, user, and ensure that only authorized device can connect to the network. Once again, I repeat this point. Aruba ClearPass is a network. Aruba ClearPass helps organize and enforce security policies, authentication, authorize user, and ensure that only authorized device can connect to the network. It provides the comprehensive set of features for network visibility, access control, guest access management, and device onboarding and policy enforcement. Very important point about the Aruba ClearPass features. So the key features of the Aruba ClearPass. One key features of Aruba ClearPass: policy enforcement. First point is policy enforcement. It's very so Aruba ClearPass key features is policy enforcement, authentication and authorizations, guest access management, device onboarding and network visibility. First I'll go to explain about the policy enforcement. ClearPass allows organizations to define and enforce granular policies based on user roles, device types, and other attributes. It ensures that only compliant and authorized device can access to the network. This is the first point to the policy enforcement. I'll repeat. Policy enforcement. Aruba ClearPass allows organizations to define and enforce granular policies based on user roles, device types, and other attributes. It ensures that only compliant and authorized device can connect to the network. This is the policy enforcement. Second point, authentication authorization. Aruba ClearPass does it. So authentication authorization ClearPass support various authentication methods such as username, password, certificate, multi-factor authentication, MFA, and integration with external identity source like Active Directory, LDAP. It also enables dynamic authorization based on user device attributes. That means it is authentication and authorization that support your Active Directory. Say AD, your authentication source is AD, local database, admin database, and so LDAP, so many things is there to support the authentication authorization. That means authentication authorization, that means it should be user should be logged in with the AD user credential, not using the simple admin password. They are using only for AD username and password. That is the authentication source is your AD. Okay. Second point is guest access management. ClearPass simplifies the process of granting temporary network access to the guests, visitor and contractors. It provides a self-registration portal, customizable guest workflow, an option for sponsor-based approval. That means you have your company guest management. You have in your company any somebody guest are access to the network with security. So our ClearPass it provides the access to the guests with the proper securities. So guest access management. Okay, this ClearPass simplifies the process of granting temporary network access to the guests, visitor and contractors. It provides a self-registration portal, customization guest workflows and option to the sponsor-based approval. This is our guest access management. Very important point about this. This is a point for device onboarding. Device onboarding is also ClearPass does. That means device onboarding. Aruba ClearPass device onboarding. ClearPass facilitates secure and automatic onboarding of device onto the network. It supports various device types including smartphones, tablet, laptop, IoT device, Internet of Things. It shows that device meet security and compliance requirement before granting access. Device onboarding, that means your BYOD devices, laptop, tablet, any other device going to onboarding access to the networks. That time our ClearPass provide the facility to automatic onboarding to the access to the network, but they are checking the ensure that the device meet to security and compliance requirement before granting access. They are checking the all compliance device is matching, compliance are matching or not. If the compliance are matched, they are able to access the network. Their compliance are not matching, they are denied the access. Okay. And the last point is network visibility. Aruba ClearPass also provides the device visibility. ClearPass offer comprehensive visibility into the network activities, device and users. It provides the real-time monitoring. Reporting and analytic to detect and respond to security threats, unusual behavior and policy violence. This is the network visibility. These are very important point to the Aruba ClearPass. It does it. Okay. Then integration and ecosystem support. ClearPass integrate with the wide range of networking equipment, security systems, third-party application. It support integration with Aruba networking in this multi-vendor environments. They are going to Cisco, all vendor they are going to support in the Aruba ClearPass. Other some ClearPass. I'm just because the ClearPass benefits. What is the benefit of the Aruba ClearPass? By default, AAA server inbuilt in the Aruba ClearPass. The policies and AAA services that support any wireless, wired and VPN environment. It inbuilt feature in our ClearPass. AAA authentication, authorization, accountability. Okay, Radius and Taka server inbuilt feature in our Aruba ClearPass. Second point, network relays based on real-time conceptual data user role, device type, location and time of the day. Third point, built-in device profiling that identify device types of attributes for everything that connects. One more benefit, real-time troubleshooting tools that help to solve the connectivity and user issues quickly, that help of access trackers. And the last point, built-in integration allows to build, coordinate, define effort where everything on work on one single solution. Uh, Aruba ClearPass providing seamless mobility experience today. Mobile workflow created a host of new challenges. ClearPass solved these challenges by providing a platform that deliver policy control, workflow automated, and visibility from a single cohesive solution. By capturing and real-time contextual data, ClearPass enable you to define policy that work in any environment, wireless, wired, and VPN network.